Hello and welcome back. So it's another week and another beach. This week I am at Rangi Tata huts and it is well known for agates. So here's hoping I get to find a few today. I'll show you what this beach looks like. First find of the day, orange and black. This one's nice too. Oh, first one of the day. There's a crystal pocket in there. Nice, and some banding. Whoa, the patterns in this are really cool. I'll definitely keep. Well, one thing I've found about this beach is that you do get a lot more like suddenly large waves. There's a lot going on in that piece. Very interesting. I'm wondering what that mineral is, that red mineral. It's like, it looks like it's quartz base and then look at the quartz just right in that centerpiece. Whoa. That's fascinating. I'll definitely be keeping this find. Look at that one. Check out the landscape of this beach. It's like trees lining the cliffs as far as I can see. And then you turn back that way, no trees, still cliffs. It ends there and then it goes flat. There is a seal in the water. Check out the quartz veins through this one. Whoa. That's actually incredible, eh? Jasper matrix maybe? Interesting. Another pudding stone. Been finding a lot of these lately. Oh, beautiful milky white. It's so perfect. Looks like part of this is agatized. Oh. This is perfectly shaped. Oh, so pretty. The quartz banding through it. That's cool. So much cool stuff here. Oh, yes, please. Okay, what? There's no way. Look at that. It's a sphere. That's wicked. I'll be keeping that. Well, Jasper sphere. It is Jasper. Oh my god. Holy, look at that colour. That's wicked. Whoa. I've not found any stone this colour before. It's wild. Holy. I think I found my best find of the day. Oh, look at the banding through that and the colour. Oh my god. Ah, okay, I'm happy. Holy heck. What an agate. Oh wow. It has like the mossy patterns there and then the banding through there. It looks like a lolly. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it so much. So much. Okay. That's motivated me to keep walking. So I was going to turn around. Oh wow, I found a rock like this the other week. It reminds me of fire. It's wild, the patterns through it. I'll be keeping this. Okay, so I'm going to head back now. Unfortunately, I haven't found any more agates like that one. However, I'm running low on time, so I better start walking back. Fingers crossed we have some good luck on the way back, but either way I'm ecstatic about the finds I have found today. So yeah, let's head back. Oh, that one's nice. What a beautiful deep green. Jasper, green jasper, quartzite. It's opaque. Oh, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that big bright, oh well, that small bright piece of epidote. It's actually my first epidote find of today, isn't it? Compared to last week, there's not been nearly as much epidote at this beach. That texture's interesting. It's like a basalt mix. I love how flat it is too. I'm going to keep this one. Is that another sphere? That one has some epidote veins through it. Is there? I actually stopped for this one. Beauty. Wow. This find is giving me space vibes. Seems unreal. Oh, it's a beautiful deep green. Small but stunning. Wow. Another piece of epidote, just because I was saying about the lack of it here. Oh, nice. Another agate. Yeah, I have so many questions. What? Huh? So many questions. Thank you all for watching. It has been an amazing day. I'm going to choose a few to keep and leave the rest here. Maybe someone will find them along their adventures. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.